where I stay here inside the base, and I'm going to show you the Navy Inn and Gateway here, NGIS here in Naples. What floor?
Third floor.
311. We're going to the third floor.
Third floor.
Get our trash with us. 311. Our room. For how many days are we going to stay here? 3 days? 4 days. 4 days and 3 nights. This is the bathroom. The towels, of course. There's a tab. And these are shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. And there's full kitchen. Oh, there's a fridge, microwave, oven, stove, tap, all the kitchen utensils, plates. There's a coffee maker. And this would be our room. Is it a king size bed or a queen size? Huh? Queen size bed. Hey, lagyan mo sa ref. What's in here? Oh, this is the door. There's the closet. There's a TV. And there's a small area here. Ah, maganda to. You can sit here if you want to eat. And there's another TV, a desk, and of course, we have a view. Wow. Hi, Naples. So this is Naples. There are 2 bases, US base here. Ano yung isa, sweetheart? Sir? NSA.
Yun ang NSA Naples eh.
NSA
Ito,
Naples.
Capo.
This one is
NSA Capodichino.
Capodichino.
Yeah, they call it Capo.
NSA Capo. The other one, the big one, is I got another blog for that. It's NSA. They said services. They said services, and that's our view. Fireworks just by our window. Basta may party dyan. Ay, tapos na. Over. And our view at night here in Naples, inside the base. It's the hospital, US Naval Naples Hospital. We'll make a quick tour here. Punta muna tayo doon banda, yung mga houses. We're not familiar with the place. We would just like to look around. It's US Naval Hospital, Naples. Just go look around the area. It's a very big base. Oh, those are the houses. Ay, hindi na yata yan base, sweetheart. Sa labas na yan eh. May nagsasampay. I thought it's part of the base, but it's not. There's already a... Hindi pala yung base eh. Pero baka dyan ang tirahan. Nasaan yung mga housing dito, sweetheart? Just driving around
Oh, may gate din dyan.
Naval Base. Just driving here around the Naval Base in Naples. Wala naman mga bahay eh. May garden pa nga oh.
Ate, bakit?
Ito mga junk sweetheart oh. Mga car.
Hindi dyan yung ano, pinideliver.
Dinideliver
Kasi
yung
pwede
mga...
ka mag-drive dito ng ano lang.
Ah, galing sa States. Dinala yung car nila dito. Oh, nice. Pwede pala galing tayo ng States sweetheart. Pupunta tayo dito. Dala-dala yung car natin. Hindi mo ganito. Vehicle Processing Center, Navy Security Training. There's a warehouse. We don't know where's the housing here. Wala mo na nakitang bahay, sweetheart.
Wala, walang base house. Sa labas eh.
Sa labas, everybody have to stay outside the base. Start. Housing maintenance facility. Oh, housing maintenance facility eh. So may housing dito, sweetheart. Auto hobby shop. Start auto hobby shop. Oh, there's a car wash. Ay, exit na yan. Eh, wala pa tayong address.
Hindi, hindi na exit. Doon pa.
Baka bukas yan pag
Kabila.
ano, iba. Not a different ano. Auto service. United States Navy Auto Service. What's that? NAVFAC. Sweetheart, NAVFAC. Ano may ibig sabihin ng NAVFAC?
Naval facility.
Naval facilities. Ayan. It's the commissary, I think. This one is the commissary. Ayan, NAVSUP.
Post office.
Yan pala sa likod ng ano. Yan ang may labasan din pala. What building is this? Anong building to, sweetheart? Walang
Pwede ba
nakasulat.
lang exchange eh.
Oo nga.
Ito na exchange.
Oo nga. Pero mag-park ka muna kasi wala pa tayong address. It's a bowling center. That's the bowling center.
Hindi na tayo sa hospital.
Uli?
Eh, ano yung address sabi?
Okay. We'll go back to the hospital. Bachelor Lodge. Ito pala. Nasaan yung NGIS dito? Kung dito. It's the Bachelor Lodge. Fire station. Yes. Maybe housing is somewhere over there. Ano yun? May clock oh. Ano yun may clock?
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Ayan ang sa labas din.
Ha? Sa labas?
Ito?
Bakit ganyan? Ano to? Roundabout to? Naples Schools. School.